single day. I'm gonna make something great.
Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel Besides Syllabus. So, today's also our topic is car companies you must know. Yesterday we talked about the car company Citroën. Today we will discuss about the car company Alfa Romeo. So, let's get started. Alfa Romeo Automobiles is an Italian luxury car manufacturer founded by French businessman Alexander Dark as Società Anonima Italiana Dark, which is SAID. It is the short form of that. This venture was not successful, and in 1909 the car production was discontinued. The same year, in 1909, the production facility was moved to the city of Milan in the northern Italian province of Lombardy. The company continued car manufacturing under the direction of Ugo Stella. To mark this mark this change properly, the company was given a new name, that is Anonima Lombarda Fabbrica Automobili, which came as Alfa. A stands for Anonima, L stands for Lombarda, F for Fabrica, and A for Automobili, which sum up as Alfa. The first racing models which we are going to see now is this. Built by the Alfa were quite advanced for their time, powered by 12 horsepower or 24 horsepower engines. Can you imagine at that time the engine's power is 12 or 24 horsepower. They could reach the top speed of 100 km per hour. Due to World War One, development was halted. Then the company was saved by a big businessman of Naples, Nicola Romeo, who bought Alfa and established the production of aircraft engines and other military-oriented products. So as we can see, yesterday we are talking about Citroën. That company also started the production of military equipments, and this company also started the military equipments, production of military equipment. So there is some similarity. Sorry, there is some similarity between these companies at that time of era, especially. So moving on. After that, the company named as Alfa Romeo when Nicola Romeo purchased the company. Then in 1919, the company returned to car manufacturing. In 1923, company produced P2, a two-man racing car powered by 8-cylinder engine. Nowadays, we have on an average 4-cylinder vehicles ranging from 7 to 15 lakhs of cars. We have 4-cylinder of engines, and at that time, the cars are with 8 cylinders of engine. So, 1925, company released the Alfa Romeo 6C 1500, a new racing car that was an improvement of P2. The car named NR in honor of Nicola Romeo. So, Alfa Romeo Golden Arrow. This is the upgraded version of 6C 2500. And in 1949, the company launched a new model which is Alfa Romeo 1900, the small affordable car. As you can see, this is quite small as compared to the earlier models of that. In 1961, Alfa Romeo launched a new series of luxury cars, the Alfa Romeo 2600. It was extremely popular among celebrities. When I saw that picture of this car, I imagined that Amitabh Bachchan driving that car. So it is quite similar of that cars which actually celebrities used to drive. So jokes apart, moving on to our next fact. Henry Ford was a big fan of Alfa Romeo mark. He removed his hat as a sign of respect for the brand, and whenever he saw an Alfa on the streets, he did the same. Means he respected that mark, and he used to remove his hat whenever he saw the car on the streets. So, These are some cars which I have showed you now. So that's all for today, and thanks for watching this video. I will make such videos afterwards also. So please stay tuned with me for the upcoming videos, and please like, share and subscribe my channel so I can get appreciate, and I will be encouraged to make more and more videos and share more and more information with you guys. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Then please comment in the comment section below and keep helping and supporting me so I can give my best to you. So be safe and be in home. Enjoy the time with family. Thank you again and bye bye.